This is Anker. Anker is awesome. This is a little tiny portable power station, and the first thing I noticed about it was how light it was. I've gotten some of these other ones and they're super heavy to carry around, but this one's pretty light for what it does. So I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. I really do appreciate it. I love Anker. Anker's a great company. Now here's the deal. This will give you a ton of charge. And in this day and age when we have so many storms and floods and things happening, it is really important to have some backup charge in your home if you don't already have solar. But this works great. So let me show you all the features on this guy. Now you can charge your MacBook Air up to 4 times with this. You could get like 16 full charges with your cell phone, or you could run a fan for up to 5 to 6 hours with this. Pretty cool. Or a pump, like if you need like an air pump, you could run it for up to 5 to 6 hours with this. Now you can charge it in your car, so you could actually be charging it in your car while you're driving through this guy. This one actually. So this is the power DC right here. So here's how you're going to charge this guy up. It's right back here. Now you get the car charger, and you also have the other charger. I got it over there, which is basically plug-in. That's what I did. I plugged this guy in. So you just plug the DC in right here in the back of this guy. Pretty cool. In the front, you can actually use another charger. If you have like a car charger for your cell phone, you can charge your cell phone. You can charge up to 6 devices at one time. Woo! with this charger here. So you've got 2 regular plugins here. We also have 2 USB-Cs, and we've got a regular 1 USB-C and 2 regular USBs. You've also got the display here that turns on, and you've got like a little light here, so you can actually turn the power on here and see the display. You also have a little power saver right here. This is going to save the power so that this display will turn off fairly quickly as well. And then you also have kind of a cool feature here, which is the light. Check out this light. It's pretty cool. You just turn it on, it turns on, it's solid, it blinks, or it does a solid light too. So I can't figure out how to get it solid. I got it solid one time, and then I got it blinking the next time. I'm not sure what I'm doing. So it might need a little bit more charge. I didn't fully charge this guy up. Let me just see what it says there. It says something there. So it's got, oh, this tells you the time remaining on it. I've got 5 hours remaining of battery life on this. And very cool, very cool. It tells you your little battery life, 84% charge, and how much time. It dropped fairly quickly though, 413. I didn't charge this all the way before I demoed it. Very cool though, very cool. This is a really cool thing. I love Anker. Anker's awesome. This one is a really nice one. It's super light, super compact, and gives you all the charging that you need. Pretty cool. So once again, this is the Anker 521. Thank you so much, Anker.